This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
What you're looking at right now might be the biggest leap in home robotics since the first Roomba hit the market over 20 years ago. This is Matic, and it doesn't just clean your floors, it literally sees your home the way you do. While every other robot vacuum on the planet bounces around like a drunk roommate at 2 a.m., Matic is using the exact same technology that powers self-driving cars. Here's where it gets insane. Two former Google AI engineers got tired of watching their expensive robot vacuums chew through shoelaces and crash into furniture, so they built something completely different from the ground up. Instead of lasers or lidar, Matic uses 5 RGB cameras and a neural network that creates a full 3D map of your home in real time. We're talking 1 cubic centimeter precision. It knows where your couch is, it knows where your kids left their toys, it even knows that your dog tracks mud through the back door 5 times a day. But here's what blew my mind. All of that AI processing, it happens entirely on the robot itself. Nothing goes to the cloud, nothing leaves your home. Your private floor plan stays private. They're calling this vision-only autonomy. The robot doesn't just avoid obstacles, it understands what they are. It builds a complete mental model of your living space that updates every single second. Watch this. The robot approaches a mess. The neural network instantly converts the camera feed into a 3-dimensional voxel map. Those blocky shapes you're seeing? That's the AI recognizing objects in real time and planning the perfect path around them. And it works in complete darkness. The system was trained using photorealistic synthetic data and hardware-in-loop simulation. Basically, they built thousands of virtual homes to teach this thing how to navigate before it ever touched a real floor. Now think about what this means. We've been waiting for smart home robots that actually work, not just ones that bump into walls and get stuck under couches. And here come 2 engineers from Google proving that camera-based navigation can outperform every traditional sensor on the market. The future of home robotics isn't coming, it just drove itself out of the charging dock. If you want to stay ahead of every breakthrough in AI and robotics, you know what to do. Subscribe to AIX and hit that notification bell, because tomorrow's technology is already here, and we're not slowing down.